Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. How are you all doing today? That's really wonderful. I'm truly indebted to Madarasa Baitul and Sunnah English Medium School for offering us a personality development class to impart values, inculcate manners, instill confidence, brighten our career. I'm going to speak on character of my Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Messenger of Allah Rabbul Izzah said, I have been sent into this world to Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam what? Good manners. La ilaha illallah. Good manners. If the Muslim displays good manners, if he imitates the manners of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the people will respect him. The Izzah means honor would come back to him. In spite of those people who oppose him, who fought the attempt put it to kill him, who fought against him. It was not because they disrespected him. It was not because they did not have dignity in their eyesight. It was not because they did not value his trust. It was not because they did not honor him. I was because they were not willing to give up what they were benefiting from and submit to Allah, for they said to him, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, what do you want? If you like, we will make you our king, and we will take our help, and we will take our wealth and give health to you. What do you want? If you want our daughters or our women and you like, and if you want, we will never make any decision without you. Don't force us to conform to this order. La ilaha illallah. Don't force us to conform to this new sharia that Allah is ordering you with. Don't force us to give up what our fathers give to us just to join us, tolerate us. We will give you everything that you need. Just to do that, what did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam say? If you like, if you will put the sun in my right hand and the moon in my left hand, which is the true lights of the whole world, never will I give up. Mandate Allah has put open me. And remember, even after 13 years in Mecca, when Allah Rabbul Izzah ordered His Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam to make hijrah. I conclude my speech thanking you all for listening to me patiently. Thank you so much and have a nice day.